Hi everybody! Last two lectures we covered Russian alphabet and I really hope you rehearsed all the letters because in today's lecture we're going to use them greeting people and building a chit-chat. Are you ready? Вы готовы? Let's go! Поехали! Готовы. Готовы. Поехали. Поехали. The most informal greeting is Привет. Hi. This greeting you use for relatives, friends, colleagues, actually people you know on personal level. Привет. Привет. If you want to be more formal, you can use Здравствуйте, hello. This greeting is very formal. It can be used at any time of the day. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Здравствуй. Hello. This one is something between Привет and Здравствуйте, which literally means I wish you to be healthy. Здравствуй. Здравствуй. To greet someone more specifically, there are three ways how to do so, depending on the time of the day. Доброе утро. Good morning. Доброе means kind, утро means morning. So literally it translates kind morning to you. Very sweet. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Добрый день. Good afternoon. And добрый вечер. Good evening. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Did you notice the difference between добрый and доброе? This is because утро, день and вечер have different genders. So утро has neutral gender, день and вечер have male gender. And like in many other languages, adjective connected to a noun changes its ending depending on the gender of the noun. Don't worry that much. We'll learn about it together later on. The usual way how to say goodbye in any situation. До встречи or до свидания, which means goodbye. And basically there is no difference between these two, and literally it translates as till the next meeting. До свидания. До свидания. До встречи. До встречи. Пока. Bye. Russians often say пока-пока. Bye-bye. Пока. Пока. Спокойной ночи. Good night, which literally translates as I wish you a calm night. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Сладких снов. Sweet dreams. You use this one for people who are close to you. Сладких снов. Сладких снов. You can now greet people in Russian. Yay! It's time for must-know tips. So let's start. Russians are very superstitious people. They never shake hands over the threshold between two spaces. It's considered to bring you a bad luck in the near future, so always step first into the space and then shake hands. Women kiss each other on the cheeks, starting with the left one. Men hug and pat each other's backs. Let's get to know 4 ways how to ask how are you. Как ты or как вы. The only difference between these two is that first one is informal and second one is formal. So ты is informal you and вы is formal you. Как ты? Как ты? Как вы? Как вы? Как дела? This form is the general one. You can also ask как у тебя дела and как у вас дела. It's the same as the first one. Как у тебя дела is in formal way. Как у вас дела is formal way. So actually it's also translating how are you or how are you doing, and in this case you're more like asking how are things going or how is your business. Как дела? Как дела? Как у вас дела? Как у вас дела? Как у тебя дела? Как у тебя дела? Что нового? What's new? Что нового? Что нового? Как прошел твой день? Как прошел ваш день? So the difference between these two is that first one is informal and the second one is formal. How was your day? Как прошел ваш день? Как прошел ваш день? Как прошел твой день? Как прошел твой день? 8 ways how to react when somebody is asking you how are you. Хорошо, good. Or you can also say все хорошо, it's all good. Хорошо, хорошо. Плохо, bad. Плохо, плохо. Так себе. So-so. Так себе. Так себе. Отлично. Great. Отлично. Отлично. Нормально. Okay, or normal. Нормально. Нормально. Бывало и лучше. I've been better. Бывало и лучше. Бывало и лучше. Очень literally translates as very, and you combine this word with хорошо or плохо. So, очень хорошо, very good, очень плохо, very bad. Очень, очень. Не очень, not really. Не очень, не очень. Let's practice. Как дела? How are you? Отлично. А у тебя? Great. And you? У меня тоже все хорошо. I'm also good. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time. Пока-пока.